Hi, my name is Meredith. But my friends know me as the slimmed down savior. Because I have a reputation of taking the most difficult men and women who are at their breaking point with their health and their weight, on the verge of giving up and accepting a life of frustration and hidden anger, and completely turning them around into a lean and toned superstar that has endless amounts of energy to take on the world instead of letting it pass you by as you hide at home on another Saturday night afraid for the world to see you. Still, because my secrets are so simple and easy to do, men and women who have struggled for decades to lose even a few pounds have the weight falling off in just a few short days. How a trip deep in the jungles of Panama led to the shocking discovery of these unusual flat belly secrets. A few years ago, I took a trip with my husband to the jungles of Panama that would change my life forever. See, as we were hiking through the jungle, we came across a tiny little house that was the home to Mike, Sandy and their 3 beautiful blonde-hair, blue-eyed children, who left the US years ago in search of a more natural life. And after chatting with Sandy for a few minutes, I saw 2 young men, probably in their 20s, walk past with these huge buckets. So I asked Sandy, "What are they picking?" She laughed and said, "You mean Juan and his grandfather?" Grandfather. I could have swore he was in his mid-20s. After all, he was leaner and looked younger than all my friends back home. Sandy went on to tell me that the locals scour the jungle looking for plants that have medicinal and magical benefits. And then she grabbed me by the hand and said, "Follow me, I need to show you something." She led me through a covered canopy and we stopped at a modest-looking tree with deep evergreen leaves. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. One night I stumbled upon a miracle tree that led to the biggest breakthrough in the weight loss world for women and men who want immediate results. It's what the lean grandfather has been living on for years that makes him look over 20 years younger with a youthful glow that the richest celebrities in the world couldn't even buy. That's when I was hooked. And after picking Sandy's brain for hours about all the other magical plants and lifestyle tricks she picked up from the locals, it all started to make sense. On the plane ride home, my husband and I couldn't stop talking about this magical class of food that the locals in Panama were using to stay so lean without aging a day in their life. When I got home, I started doing a little more research and then it happened. I finally understood the secret combinations of minerals and nutrients found in these magical foods that flatten your belly, remove your wrinkles, and peel decades off your age. And as soon as we started testing it out with a few select in-person clients, the results were simply amazing. I'm down 5 pounds and counting in 7 days and cancelled my entrapped nerve surgery. Tiffany has an autoimmune disease that affects her thyroid and in just 7 days completely cancelled her surgery and lost 5 pounds and counting. It's amazing. I've been frustrated for 10 years and am so happy to have found an easy fix. Your program is awesome, smiley face. Tiffany. And now, starting today you can use these same belly slimming secrets to obtain a leaner body and flatter belly that's more firm to the touch. Introducing Wake Up Lean, the only flat belly blueprint for men and women over 40 to turn off your inflammation enzymes and visibly see an leaner, more trim body without exhausting exercise or restrictive dieting. I'm so extremely excited to get these lean body secrets into your hands because men and women over 40 are always neglected. See, the big weight loss companies want to be hip and cool and always go after the younger crowd, which is why I specifically designed this belly slimming blueprint for anyone over 40 because the truth is, it actually works better the older you are, all because of a few hidden advantages your body has as you age, which you can manipulate in just 13 seconds. Set the process in motion to melt fat straight off your belly in record time. Wake Up Lean is a 10-day, fast results program that uses a combination of magical metabolism minerals from food families similar to those I discovered firsthand in the jungles of Panama, to flatten your belly faster than you ever thought possible without having to ever count calories or starve yourself skinny. So if you're sick and tired of being frustrated, struggling to lose even a single measly pound because you've been burned too many times in the past by big, empty promises that never lead to any changes to your body, then It's probably because you didn't have these metabolism mineral secrets that work for anyone at any age in any physical condition to melt away up to 3 to 5 pounds while enjoying delicious foods that'll never leave you hungry for a single second. This breakthrough new lean body formula works for anyone at any age in any physical condition, even if nothing has ever worked for me before. I completely understand. That's because there isn't another simple solution out there that focuses on turning off your hunger hormones, inflammation enzymes, and stress sensors. The good news is, you can turn them off and wake up feeling lighter and leaner body starting tomorrow thanks to a handful of magical metabolism minerals that anyone can enjoy. Look, it's definitely not your fault. You were never given the right information that will work for you. I don't have enough time. After working with hundreds of men and women in person and online over the years, I know how busy you are, and the best weight loss solution will never work if you don't have time to stick with it. Which is why I spent months stripping down this program to the bare essentials you need to slim down and tighten your tummy in just minutes a day. There are no page-long recipes that take an hour or more to make. There are no long, exhaustive workouts that take over your evenings and force you spend even more time away from your kids and family that you love so dearly, missing out on memories that would have lasted a lifetime. I can never stick to a diet. You and I have something in common, because I've never been able to stick to a diet either. In fact, I hate the word diet. And the fact that you can't stick to them is great because I don't want you to diet ever again. Instead, you'll be flooding your body with endless amounts of belly slimming super nutrients, metabolism minerals, and anti-aging antioxidants that taste delicious and satisfy your cravings for even the most sugar-filled foods. This simple solution actually works better if you can't stick to a diet, because the variety of foods jumpstarts your metabolism and flattens your belly faster. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. I'm too old and out of shape. As long as you can eat, you'll never be too old or out of shape to finally get the lean and sexy body you deserve. After all, there are no joint-killing workouts. There are no complicated exercise plans that leave you so confused you have no idea where to start. And there are definitely not any strict diets that have you eating 500 calories a day or something absurd that kills your metabolism and only flushes out water weight, which comes right back once you start eating real food again. Simply do a few simple tricks to wake up leaner than ever. You can't find these flat belly secrets from the jungles of Panama anywhere else. What truly makes this belly slimming system unique is I've personally spoke to men and women all across the world to discover the exact ancient flat belly secrets that go unnoticed by the mainstream media and stuffy doctors who spend all day secluded in their office. This isn't the same, eat less and exercise more, advice that's the backbone behind every traditional weight loss program that's never worked for you and never will. See, doctors and fitness trainers don't want you to know this because then you'll stop paying their outrageous fees once you realize. There are faster and easier ways to consistently lose weight week after week that have nothing to do with exercising for hours a day or relying on some doctor-created plan that's boring and impossible to stick to. They don't know the lean body secrets you can only discover while traveling the world, and that's why this is truly the only way to get a lighter and leaner body as early as tomorrow while eliminating your inflammation enzymes for good. Today only you can use the same lean body secrets my private clients pay $500 per hour for at a tiny fraction of the cost. You can probably imagine the secrets that'll have you feeling lighter and leaner in just 24 hours would be pretty expensive, after all. If you've been frustrated while struggling to lose weight for months or even years as the pounds continue to pile up around your belly where everything you try never works and leaves you feeling more miserable and maybe even depressed day after day, then a solution that works this quickly can't possibly be cheap. And if you were to fly out to California and spend just an hour feverishly writing down all these secrets and fat loss loopholes that I've discovered from my years of travels, then it'd cost you $500 plus the cost of a round-trip plane ticket. Then, if you wanted to stick around and train with me, delivering faster results than anyone in California, you're looking at a couple $1,000s per week. Which would still be a bargain if you think about how much money you'd waste over the next 5, 10, even 20 plus years chasing after solutions that promise you the world and never actually do a single thing to melt away the belly you've been trying to get rid of for so long. However, for the first and only time ever, you can get the same rapid flat belly results at a fraction of the cost it would be to meet with me in person. And the good news is, there's absolutely zero risk on your part because you can try out the entire Wake Up Lean system on me risk-free. As a small business owner, I know the importance of value and getting what you pay for. That's why I decided to make an unheard of guarantee to make sure you're 100% happy with your results, otherwise you don't pay a penny. The Wake Up Lean Triple Guarantee. There's no doubt in my mind that this easy-to-use system will flatten your belly in just minutes a day while adding years onto your life. That's why I have no issue making a 100% triple money-back guarantee, so all of the risk is on me. The only thing you need to focus on is results and having fun. And if in the rare chance you aren't completely satisfied, we'll refund every last penny of your payment. Results guarantee number 1, anybody can do it. This belly flattening program was specifically designed so anyone at any age in any condition can do it and get amazing results. It doesn't matter how old you are or how much weight you have to lose. These flat belly secrets from the jungles of Panama will unlock your natural fat burning cycles that slowed down decades ago to revitalize your metabolism while rejuvenating your body to lose every last ounce of stubborn fat you desire. Results guarantee number 2. You'll see results fast. You'll feel lighter and leaner in just 24 hours, and if you act now, you can wake up tomorrow morning looking and feeling like you have stripped dreadful fat from your belly. That's why these lean body secrets are so powerful and will work for anyone. Results guarantee number 3. You'll have fun and stay motivated. Most weight loss programs are downright dreadful because you're eating bland foods that you hate, working out like a maniac, and all you're doing is counting down the days until the diet is over. But imagine how much fun you'll have as you wake up morning after morning with a leaner and leaner belly, as your neighbors can't help but stare when you walk down the driveway and barely recognize the new person that you've become. Once you see firsthand how effortlessly and easy losing weight day after day is with these simple secrets, you'll never have to waste money on another dreadful diet ever again. If you pick up this flat belly blueprint today, you can try it out for the next 60 days on me. If for any reason you don't feel like you got 10x the value for what you paid for, I will personally refund 100% of your money with no questions asked. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.